Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Eris from God's School. Now, if you haven't heard of God's School, it is basically like an animated series about the Greek gods, and the main character is going to be Eris, Eris. You might be familiar with her because she was also in Billy and Mandy, but this is a completely different take on her. This one, she's very like angsty, kind of grungy, and I'm just like, I love her already. Even though only the pilot has been like shown off online, I'm just like, love Eris already. So I saw her and I'm like, I need to do a look based off of her. And so here we are. And I also want to say thank you guys on Instagram for voting for this look, because it was either going to be this or Glinda from Wicked, and I am living for this. Also, I'm just like so in love. Like, okay, I know I've used this one other time, but oh my gosh, the blend of these is just incredible. I love this palette. Ugh. I want to stop rambling so that you can get into this. So let's roll that new intro. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows and primed my eyes, and I started using Brulee by Wet n Wild because I was going to use Soft and Sweet, but that actually has a pink tone to it, so I could not use that. So instead I had to use Brulee. So the first thing I'm going to do is then dip into Soft and Sweet and go high above the crease. So now I'm going to take Soft Cream, which is a very light pink, just to blend out and above. Okay, so now I'm going to take Bittersweet and place that high in the crease as well. High above the crease. Okay, so now I'm just slightly mad because I had a little bit of black still left on that brush from before, so that's what that is. We're gonna roll with it. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of Blueberry Muffin and place that just into the crease. So now I'm going to take a little bit of Blackberry and really focus that on the outer third. Okay, so now I'm going to take, I really like using this to like cut the crease or I'm sorry, I'm just like moving around because I feel claustrophobic at the moment. I really like using these liquid catsuit eyeshadows to like cut a crease or to cut for a halo eye, but real quickly I'm going to redefine this area, kind of cutting it and kind of not. I just am going to go right to where the crease line is, because if I go above, it looks weird. On me, I feel like it does. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to blend the edge right here to get that black back in here. Okay, now I'm going to take a Marc Jacobs Sequins eyeshadow, and this is in the shade, it's a Glam Glitter eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Topaz Flash. I'm just going to be applying that to where I had the liquid eyeshadow. Okay, real quickly I'm going to use this little dome brush and just blend. Now I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to take care of this eye, put on some liner, do a full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and ooh, I'm feeling this. Real quickly on the eyes, I'm just gonna use blackberry, blueberry muffin, and bittersweet, and just create that, what I have up here, down here. Okay, so now I'm going to take my basket case liner and run that in my waterline. Okay, now I'm also going to take honey dipped and pop that on the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to use my everlasting lip liner, right? Yeah, I'm going to use my everlasting lip liner and crucifix to line my lips. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty. This is the Stunna Lip Paint in Uncuffed. Yes. And to blend out the ombre, I'm going to be using my Real Techniques. This is the Lip Blur Brush. Okay, I'm living for this, so real quickly, I'm gonna go off camera, spray my face, and let down my hair, and I'll be right back. And we're back, and oh my gosh, I love how this turned out. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little discouraged at first because of how that little black mark was there. I don't know how that always happens where I end up getting a black mark right there, but overall, I love how this turned out. I'm loving this lip, oh my gosh. And I'm so like, I love how this turned out. I need to stop. So, yeah, plus, yeah, my hair is like always wet now in videos. Cause like I put it up and it like does not dry. So that's a thing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I just want to say thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye.